Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to Cardi Made It. So today I just want to do a quick video to show y'all my new ring light. I've never had a ring light before, but hopefully it will help to improve the lighting and quality of my videos. So yeah, let's get into it. My ring light unboxing. So this is the box that it came in actually. This is a Neewer, like N-E-E, how you spell it? Neewer, I think N-E-E-W-E-R. Yeah, and I got it from Amazon. It was about $89.99, but I think I can find a code for it, and you can get a good percentage off. So just check my description box. So inside that box I just had came out this little bag and this box right here. Don't see any instructions yet. Hopefully it's easy. Have this piece. And then also inside the bag is this box right here. Not the best scissors, but I can try. Alright. So here is apparently my instruction manual and customer service number. Comes with a cord, an attachment for your smartphone. I just bought one of these for my camera actually. This is a remote shutter, so when you're not right by your phone, you can actually take pictures. I'm just gonna take everything out of this packaging or out of the box. Alright, so this is basically everything that came in my package. And this is what the instruction manual looks like. You know, we love pictures and words. So, yeah. We love pictures and words. So this ring light set includes tripod stand, the orange filter set, white filter set, the ring light head, Bluetooth remote, flexible gooseneck. This thing is hard. I would never thought that this was flexible, but I don't know. It's not very flexible. Ball head adapter, which I guess is this little thing. And smartphone holder, which is this, of course. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your folded light stand, aka tripod, and loosen the fixing screw knob, which I guess is this little thing right here. Fixing screw knob, you're gonna loosen it. And then you're gonna fully stretch out the stand legs until the bottom cross rods are level with the ground. Oh, okay. Just a little, little crooked. So basically, you flip the legs out. Cause they were in like this, and you're gonna flip them out like so, like that. Trying to tap the ground. And then you're gonna lock the rotational knob at the base of the middle pole to fix it in position. So just lock this part. So yeah, so now these legs are locked into position. Loosen the adjuster on the second section to extend the desired height and tighten. So yeah, loosen this and maybe this time what you want. Hey, these legs are bothering me. I feel like I already done messed up on these legs. These legs are not giving what they should be giving. Let me tighten this up a little bit more. These legs are horrible looking. Let me get up and show y'all what I've done so far. Alright, so far I have it now. It's just as tall, if not, yeah, it's taller than my extra camera tripod right now. Hey, I just looked at the bottom of the back of this instruction manual, and it actually gives you a tutorial. So if you want to save yourself some time, watch the tutorial. So yeah, I'm on YouTube on my phone. And it's just a freaking 3-minute video. And already I have taken up how many minutes? Jeez.
Step 1. Assembling the ring light head. Keep the ring lights flat on the table and start with the uniquely shaped filter.
That's not what the instructions in the book even say. Oh my goodness. Really? You know what? Forget this book. I'm gonna watch this video.
That has a bump on it, which clicks into place first at the base of the ring. This filter must be installed first. Then attach the other filters in a counterclockwise manner, clicking each into place. They have got 3 accessories to use with a phone or camera. Important note, there are many light kits that share the same instruction manual. Not all items listed in the manual are included in each kit.
Wow.
Refer to your purchase history on the item description page for a list of items included in your kit.
So basically, they're just giving out one instruction manual for all of their ring lights. But yeah, in my instruction manual, it does not say anything about these. It just has the orange ones.
Step 1. Assembling the ring light head. Keep the ring light flat on the table and start with the uniquely shaped filter that has a bump on it, which clicks into place first at the base of the ring. This filter must be installed first, then attach the other filters in a counterclockwise manner, clicking each into place first at the base of the ring. This filter must be installed first, then attach the other filters in a counterclockwise manner, clicking each into place. They have guide tabs that link together for a seamless fit. Step 2. Setting up the tripod and mount. For a list of items included in your kit. Step 1. Assembling the ring light head. Keep the ring light flat on the table and start with the uniquely shaped.
Put it together. And this part right here has like a little dip in it. And this part is gonna go over the dip. Alright, she said keep it flat. I'm hard-headed.
Mounting ring light. With a fairly firm grip on the top of the tripod, they have guide tabs that link together for a seamless fit. Step 2. Setting up the tripod and mounting ring light. With a fairly firm grip on the top of the tripod, the legs of the tripod should be at a downward 45-degree angle to ensure the tripod is stable. Remove the plastic cap on top of the light stand, then mount the flexible gooseneck tube.
What plastic cap? There is no plastic cap. What? Okay, Neewer, what? Y'all gave me some bootleg stuff or something? Like, there is no plastic cap up here.
Also called soft tube, to the top of the stand. This is done by loosening the knob on the base of the gooseneck enough that it can completely slide onto the top of the light stand. Then secure it by thoroughly tightening the knob on the base of the gooseneck to the top of the light stand. Or take the...
So I just brought this down a little bit because once I put this on, it's gonna be pretty tall. And I'm guessing I don't need it that tall, I guess. Leave it right here. Then I'm gonna take this, loosen up this. You gotta loosen it up so it fit over here. It should not be this hard. Alright, if y'all can see that, I can stick my finger in here. This piece is almost out of this tube, so let's see. Okay, there we go. There we go. You gotta have it basically almost out. And then you put that on there. I'm just gonna lower it a little bit better so y'all can see. Yeah. That good? Y'all see it? Yeah, y'all see it. Alright. This is not flexible. That's not flexible. I have a little tripod thing with one similar. Now this, on my tripod, my little phone stand, this is flexible. There's nothing flexible about that. I swear. Alright, so this was like so. This was just sitting like this. So I'm gonna turn this, unscrew that so it comes out, and wow, this is a pretty big ring light. Alright, so my camera cut off and I'm not sure what point it cut off at, but this is what I have done.
Take the ring light and loosen the bottom knob of the support knob as illustrated. Attach the ring light to the top of the goose.
So yeah, they put a little note down there. That thing is hard, but it does get a little easier to move once you put the actual ring light up there. But yeah, this is not in the instruction manual. Please be aware that the gooseneck soft tube is stiff initially. It's very stiff from the factory and will require some effort to bend it. So yeah. Now that the actual ring light is up here, I didn't put this on here. So yeah, it bends. It bends a lot better. You do a back bend, a front bend, all that good stuff. Tighten this stuff. Let me just make sure everything is tight. You just want to make sure, because I didn't, you know, make sure everything is tightened. Okay. Alright, what's next now? Because I just drew it. At this point, I've just drawn the instruction manual to the side. Because what's its purpose? It has none.
Gooseneck base which tightens the slot, known as the hot shoe. The square base has a tightening nut that can be loosened or tightened to allow the ball head to be slid in.
Or out of the hot shoe. Loosen it to slide it in or take it out, and tighten it once the ball head is in place in the hot shoe. The top of the ball head has a 1/4-inch screw, which you can screw the supplied mobile phone holder onto, or use it with the base of your camera.
Okay. I can tell you from here, I assume, because I'm not going to plug my phone nor my camera up at this moment. So let's just take the power cords and plug her on up, man. Oh, is this little hanging thing? This how it go? Where am I tripping? Okay. Let's see, can we see a difference? We're going to do like this. And I should turn it on. Oh wow. That's pretty. So now I can film at night and not really worry about it being too dark because I can adjust the lighting. That's dope.